Hi, Joe Moran here from Optimum Physiotherapy. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to be talking to you for the next couple of minutes about golfer's elbow. And you may have heard of it. Tennis elbow is much more common, but golfer's elbow is equally as painful. And the golfer's elbow is on the inside of the elbow. And the reason it's called that is when golfers are doing a shot and they're coming from the drive forwards and doing the follow through, they need to have a very stable wrist. If the wrist isn't stable, they need to have it pretty straight when they're coming through for the drive. If that wrist is in this position, if they're not conscious of it and they don't have stability here, you will get these muscles working very, very hard. Let's see if you can see those. So when I move my fingers or wrist, the muscles that bring about those movements, they all start in this area here. And that's why it's called golfer's elbow. It can be very, very painful, and it can affect everything from using a mouse on your computer, using a knife and fork, using a pen, picking up a cup. But physiotherapy can be extremely helpful. The reason it gets painful is the muscles that are affected. You're asking them to work in a position that they're not used to for far too long. When that happens, the inside bit of the muscle starts to knot together, and it creates these very painful areas which we call trigger points. So physiotherapy is aimed at really trying to get rid of all the creases in those muscles, make them nice and smooth and make them work as efficiently as possible. We also use a lot of dry needling, ultrasound, sometimes laser, and we also follow up with some exercises to strengthen up that area and make sure it doesn't come back. There's also a very useful brace. I always call it tennis elbow brace, but you can use it for golfers as well. We just put it on the opposite side of the elbow. So if you're suffering, or somebody you know is suffering with elbow pain and you're not sure whether it's golfer's elbow or something else, drop a comment below. I'll message back directly, or you can give the clinic a call on 605-92916, or follow the link below so you can book in online. And there's a new patient special at the moment for just $59. So I hope that helps. Have a great day wherever you are. Lovely to talk. Bye-bye.